$12. There's a Groupon that Brittany sent me. It was like 70% off or something. Oh, well, that sounds like a pretty good deal. Thought it cost $40 or $50 at Verizon. Yeah, well, okay, I did exaggerate. Maybe 30. So ridiculous.
Oh my goodness. I can't do both at the same time because they're crazy.
Oh, want me to hold one?
If you want to hold one, or I'll put one down.
You can watch your brother.
I gotta feed the possums too. And if those possums are getting big enough to let go.
Are they really? What?
About half.
Wishful thinking. Is the tortoise still on the porch?
I don't know why. There's all these things I need to talk to you about. Get you time of day.